In this video, I want to share a valuable lesson with you that can be applied in business, your career, or in life. As I was coming up with topics for my YouTube channel, which is something I regularly do, I research and then come up with the topics to see what my audience likes or liked in the past. You know, those ideas, when I look at all the titles, something occurred to me, and that is all these videos that I'm creating on YouTube and all the content that I am creating on the web is all for the audience and to help the audience and to solve a specific problem, right? And that's kind of what we do as entrepreneurs, creators. We want to inspire, we want people to get ahead with whatever it is that you're in, right? And what this all comes down to is something that I learned, I guess, in the past decade. I've actually been creating products and services online as an online entrepreneur for about 14, 15 years now. And the most, I guess, significant lesson that you can learn, and this biggest takeaway, is what's in it for me. What's in it for me? That's something to keep in mind whenever you are writing copy, whenever you're creating a specific, ad like on Instagram or Facebook, or whether you're creating your about page even though your about page is about your company or should be about your company or yourself, what you need to do is shift your mindset in thinking, how can I serve my audience? What problem do I solve? Because at the end of the day, that is what you're trying to do. You're trying to sell your product or service. And if you are talking way too much about your company or yourself, you lose interest and your audience is going to feel like they are not in the right place. By switching your mind and thinking, what's in it for me, you will create content, whether that's on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube here, and thinking, how can I solve my customers' issues, rather than, thinking, how do I make money quick? And, our company is the best. We've worked many hours trying to build this software or whatever it may be that you are creating. Instead of thinking about that, no one really cares, because what they want in the end is for their problems to be solved or resolved. So switch your mindset in thinking, rather than how do I make money quick, to what's in it for me, that is for your audience. You might come across a website where the first thing you see is about the company, right? Our company was established in 1990 and we've been long running, and the leader, whatever it is, it's all about the company, right? There's nothing really in it for the audience. So rather than putting information about your company or description about your company, the first thing that should be on your website is a headline that states the biggest benefit that your potential customers will get by purchasing your product or registering for your service. As long as you keep in mind what's in it for me, that will help you shape the content that you're creating. And for your about page, even though it should be about your company or yourself if you're building a personal brand, at the end of the day, it should target your audience and how you can help your audience. To give you an example, this is my about page. Now, I am reworking this, but what I kept in mind when I wrote this about page is, again, what's in it for me. And the first thing they see is helping you build and scale a digital product business. And it's all about them. Are you looking to grow your business using online tech but need the know-how that's simple and straight to the point to understand? So I don't talk about myself at all at the start. Where I actually talk about myself, and let's say where you can talk about your company, is later towards kind of the middle to the end of the about page. What you want to do is capture their attention. You want to make them feel like, am I in the right place? And if it is, they'll read more and they'll take action with whatever call to action that you place. At the end of the day, we're all motivated by the benefit of purchasing a particular product or service. It all comes down to the benefits, right? When I purchased this new microphone here, the what's in it for me is that I might sound better on camera. So whatever it is that made you purchase, it was all because of what's in it for me, the benefits that you'll gain out of it, whether that's some piece of cosmetic that you purchased recently, or let's say you buy teeth whitening, the what's in it for me obviously is that you get whiter teeth. So I guess the moral of this whole story is that the next time you go ahead and create your product, service, or creating that next piece of content on Instagram, think about what's in it for your customers, prospects, or your audience. By having this mindset instead, rather than thinking about the metrics and how do I grow my audience and grow my sales, you'll grow your business as a result because you are going out there helping people and always thinking in the back of your mind what's in it for your audience. So I hope this little tip has helped you. I know it's not the be-all, end-all of things, but I think it's an important and valuable lesson that you can take away. It's something that I personally keep in mind all the time whenever I am going out there to create content or creating products and services or what have you. That's all from me. If you got value from this video, by all means hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications too so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post up here on this channel. In the meantime, do stick around to watch these next relevant videos.